Alright guys, here we are.
Equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under.
Well, so I am back from
or next to your seat. When
my
directed, pull the
Japan
tab to
trip.
remove the pouch. If present,
But
remove the strap
here is
around
video
the pouch.
of me
Turn open the pouch, remove
getting ready to take
and
off
unfold the
and
vest.
heading to San
Slip the
Francisco
loop in your
for my
hand, wrap the belt around your
vacation.
waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end
As you'll
tight.
see videos
Inflate your
of
vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by
me
pulling down sharply on the red tab.
landing
You can also inflate the
into
vest by blowing into
Osaka,
the tube.
taking off from Osaka and Okinawa.
Which will be
Feel free to check those videos out
Smoking, vaping, using
and see what
cigarettes or
planes
smokeless
I
tobacco
catch
are not allowed
in
on this
Japan as
aircraft.
well.
FAA regulations prohibit tampering with,
Excuse me,
disabling, or
as
destroying
I am very
laboratory smoke
excited
detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted
to
signs
share you those
and crew
videos,
member
and I'm
instructions.
happy to share what I get to catch.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxis,
Excuse me.
large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device
There's
under
a
a
Frontier
seat, ask a
Airlines,
flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat.
probably
as
an
this can damage the device and its
A321 or
battery.
something like that, I'm guessing.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
This will be a short taxi and takeoff.
In the unlikely event oxygen is not to expire, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight. Once we're in the air, we'll be coming by to pick up any beverages provided to you by the flight attendants. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.
As I believe the flight is going to be at least 5 hours, so it's going to be a bit of a long flight, but hey, it's not going to be as long as our next flight. But like I said before, I know my videos have been already uploaded and all from my trip, but this is from before I upload them. But again, as you know, I had a good time out there, but like I said, we were really excited to go. We were really excited. I'm glad to have you guys aboard here as well. We had to get up very early in the morning as well. We had to get up at around like 1:30, be here at around like 3 a.m. It's been already a long morning today. There's some Southwest planes. Oh, and there's something departing there. It's hard to see. are already at the runway here. Alright, here we go, guys. And now I'll just shut up and you guys can enjoy the sights and sounds of the Boeing 737 MAX 8 departing from Philadelphia International Airport.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure. Thank you.